The subject is VLSI design, MOS circuit design process. For any MOS circuits, we need to write a stick diagram. Stick diagram is used to convey the layer information through the use of color code. Basically, there are four MOS layers, that is of N diffusion, P diffusion, polysilicon and a metal. So, each MOS layer is having its own color representation, that is indicated in the table 1. So, there are two different styles of writing a stick diagram. That is, one is of an NMOS design style and another is of a CMOS design style. In an NMOS design style, only NFETs are used to write a stick diagram and a layout diagram. Before the stick diagram, first we need to write the schematic diagram. In a CMOS design style, both NFETs and PFETs are used to write a schematic, then stick and the layout diagram. Here, the table represents 4 layers color encoding with a contact cut. In this one, the first color green. Green is used to represent an N diffusion with a stick and a layout encoding within a rectangle box of slash lines. And the yellow color it is used to represent a P diffusion where the gap between a one slash line and another slash line is more. And the blue color is used to represent a metal one within a rectangle box there is a vertical lines. And again yellow color it is used to represent an implant where it is used in depletion mode of an NMOS design style. And the black color it is used in terms of a dark round circle, small round circle. It is used in order to represent a contact cut. It may be of a VDD or a VSS. And the layout or a mask encoding where a metal is crossed by diffusion, a contact cut is formed. And the sixth one, red. Red it is used to represent a polysilicon with slash lines within a rectangle box. It is opposite to that of a diffusion layers. Next, before writing a schematic or a stick diagram or a layout diagram, first we should know how transistor is formed. Here the transistor is formed when a polysilicon crosses a diffusion or diffusion crosses a polysilicon, a transistor will be formed. There are two types of a transistor formation. That is of a first type and another is of a second type. This is of an NMOS enhancement mode of a transistor. So, I am here taking an example of NMOS inverter. Here, the figure 1 is a symbol of NMOS inverter. Figure 2 is a schematic diagram of a NMOS inverter. Well, it consists of two structure. One is of a pull down structure. Another is of a pull up structure. In both the structures, NFET is common, but the source of a pull down structure is connected to VSS. Drain of a pull down structure is connected to output. Gate of a pull down structure is connected to input VIN. And here the pull up structure. Source of a pull up structure is connected to VDD. Drain of a pull up structure is connected to output. Gate of a pull up structure is connected to output, shorted, and it is connected to output. And the gap between a source and drain is darker. This represents a NFETs in depletion mode with a length and width of 4:1, L/W. Here, the length and width of a pull down structure is 1:1, that is of an L/W. Keeping a reference of a figure 2 schematic diagram, we need to write a stick diagram. The firstmost step of writing a stick diagram in an NMOS design style is first select a blue color, draw two metal rails or lines parallel to each other, leaving a space between each lines. That is a metal one, blue in color. So, second step. In the second step, the two metal rails as it is, As it is drawn. As I already said, keeping a reference of a figure to schematic diagram, we need to write a stick diagram here. In the figure, in the step 2, where the NFET is common, the pull up and a pull down structure. So, I need to use a green color that represents a diffusion that is drawn vertically from top metal line to bottom metal line. I am using a second type of a transistor formation where the diffusion is vertical and the polysilicon is horizontal. In the second step, after drawing a diffusion line, make a contact cut. One diffusion and a metal touches each other or crosses each other, there should be a contact cut. And in the third step, after drawing a metal one lines with a diffusion and a contact, cuts, the transistor need to be formed, that is a pull down transistor. So as I already said, I am using a second type formation of a transistor where a polysilicon is crossed by diffusion, the transistor is formed. Then using a metal one, the input Vin is represented. So the source of a pull down transistor is connected to ground. The drain of a pull down transistor is still not yet connected. Similarly, in the fourth step, same metal lines as it is, vertical diffusion, end diffusion with a green in color, contact cut, and then pull down transistor with a blue color, Vin. Next, pull up structure is written again where polysilicon crosses a diffusion in horizontal. So in a schematic diagram where the pull-up structure is in depletion mode, the gate of a pull-up structure is shorted and it is connected to output. So here also we need to extend down the polysilicon of a pull-up structure and extend it in from left to right on diffusion where a contact cut is formed with a crossing a polysilicon and a diffusion. Next, this is a pull-up structure with the terminals source, drain, and this is a drain. And then output is connected from this terminal using a metal one. So still the transistor is not yet represented in a depletion mode. So therefore an yellow color implant according to the table 1 is drawn in where the diffusion and polysilicon are crossed with each other. An implant is used to represent a transistor is in depletion mode. So this is a source. This is a final stick diagram of an NMOS inverter where a source of a pull-down structure is connected to ground VSS and then source of a pull-up structure is connected to VDD. Vertical is of a polysilicon between two metal rails, and then pull-down structure is written with an with a polysilicon red color where metal one is used in order to connect an output terminal. The metal one is used to connect input V in and an output V out, and a pull-up structure is written. Pull-up stick diagram is written using again the polysilicon horizontal and extending the left side of a polysilicon down and again horizontal from left to right on a diffusion with a contact cut, and a metal one is used from this terminal towards right to represent an V out. So this is about the final stick diagram of a NMOS inverter. Similarly, we need to follow the same steps for rest other Boolean expression. It may be of a 2-input. Example, it may be of a 2-input NAND gate or 2-input NOR gate in NMOS design style.